configured cell featuring high-performance ESD control and inline UV adhesive cure. This FlexiMate transport line cell was designed for the assembly of a high-reliability product, and the manufacturing team was faced with a contracted timeline to ramp up production. The cell would also require some integration of equipment and processes to streamline production flow. Worksmart Systems' FlexiMate Transport was selected for a compact U-shaped cell, providing optimized space utilization and a team approach to assembly. Production flowed on our transport carts, eliminating non-value-added handling. With 12 operator positions, the cell measured a very compact 16 feet by 36 feet and featured work positions on both sides of the flow. The operator stations featured a full complement of accessories, including custom parts and supply presentation displays, monitor mounts, and multiple lighting methods for a maximum foot candle environment. The automated return of the empty carts to the upper track was accomplished by a pair of FlexiMate elevators at each end of the cell. A powered belt on the lower return track was employed to drive an orderly queue of empty carts to the head of the line for lifting to the upper production track. High reliability manufacturing specifications for the product also included stringent control of potential electrostatic charges. Although our cart wheels are composed of a static dissipative compound and roll on conductive tracks, at our customer's request, we took a belt and suspenders approach by attaching 2 carbon fiber brushes on the underside of each cart. These brushes were in intimate contact with dual aluminum channels that acted as ground buses. This feature ensured the high-performance ESD control. There were 2 additional unique operations that rounded out the list of specifications. The first was offline tandem stations performing redundant processes at sitting height. This was accomplished with a custom and automated indexing and lifting turnstile that raised and lowered the work in progress on the carts from the main line's standing height operations. This prevented production bottleneck due to the longer takt time at the 2 offline stations. The second operation involved a controlled cure of an adhesive on the product with an ultraviolet source. To achieve this, we designed and fabricated a tunnel with a variable speed drive belt to move the cart and expose the product to the UV source. By varying the speed to optimize the exposure, a uniform curing process is effected without having an operator involved. The tunnel was also fitted with a fume extractor and UV protection curtains. The net result was consistent, high quality, and worker safety. Further conveniences for the manufacturing team included benchtop tooling and a turnkey setup line, the latter being accomplished in a single day, allowing the manufacturing team a fast ramp-up. Worksmart Systems, lean assembly solutions in action. How may we be of assistance?